First batch of Turkish T129 attack choppers to arrive in December. Manila. The first batch of the 6 Turkish-made T129 ATAK attack helicopters will arrive in December. Philippine Air Force PAF Commander Lieutenant General Alan Paredes said Tuesday night. Deadly, coming this December. The T129 attack helicopter of the Philippine Air Force, Paredes said in a Facebook post. He did not give other details on the arrival of the helicopters. The 6 T129 attack helicopters will be acquired for a total contract price of $269,388,862 United States dollars, about 12.9 billion Philippine pesos, from the Turkish aerospace industries through a government-to-government mode of procurement under Republic Act 9184 or the Government Procurement Reform Act. The T129 is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, multi-role, all-weather attack helicopter based on the Agusta A129 Mangusta platform and is designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions in hot and high environments and rough geography in both day and night conditions. Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana signed the contract for the acquisition of the Turkish attack helicopters in July last year. The PAF is looking to acquire dedicated but affordable attack helicopters to beef up its fleet of lightly armed helicopters, such as the MG-520 and AW-109E, which are being used for counter-terror and ground support missions. PNA